up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So I am starting off with my hair actually freshly washed. I already started braiding my hair out, and then I decided to record this, so that's why I already have a braid done. So my hair is freshly washed and conditioned, and now I'm going to just be blow drying my hair straight. But first I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair with the Adriannemg brush. And I'm trying out these Mielle Orgnanics products for the first time in this video. So I find that my braid outs come out better whenever and more fluffier whenever I kind of pre-dry my hair, and plus my braid outs wet take forever to dry. So this is like a little tip so your hair can be dry the next day. So I'm gonna just blow dry my hair on warm heat here, and I did just put a rinse in my hair, so that's why my scalp is kind of red there. But yeah, so I'm gonna just blow dry my hair, and then I'm gonna take this Mielle Orgnanics Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. This stuff smells like candy. It smells so good. So I'm gonna take about a quarter size of this product and just place this through this section of my hair, and then I'm gonna go in with the Mielle Orgnanics Pomegranate and Honey curling custard. It reminds me of a jelly, and it's like a gel-like consistency. But it was kind of slimy, if that makes any type of sense. But whatever it was the best hairstyle that I have had in a long time. So I'm gonna just go ahead and braid this section. I find that however you want your hair to come out, it depends on how big your sections are. I want my hair to be big and fluffy and stretched, so I did bigger sections here, and I could do that with my hair and not worry about my hair not drying because I blow dried it before. So I'm gonna take a small perm rod and just make sure that your ends are secure and wraps all the way around it. And I did place a little bit more product, a little bit of that curling custard around my ends to make sure that it was secure, and then you're just gonna secure the rod. So this is my hair and my red hands from my hair color, but this is what my hair, I did 3 in the back and 2 on each side here. So then now I am ready to go to bed, and I have to worry about my hair if it's gonna be dry the next day or not. So this is the next day. I slept with a satin bonnet on my head. And now I'm going to just start off by taking my rods out of each part. So after your rods are out, that's when the most important part comes, and that is the takedown. I did my best to not like separate my hair during the takedown, but leaving the 3 sections that how I braided my hair separate, like just like that. And these products left my hair super moisturized. I had shine, as you can see, my hair was shiny, my hair was stretched, my hair was moisturized, I had definition. I got everything I wanted out of these products and more. Mielle Orgnanics, this line does have a twisting souffle that I should have used, but I decided to use the curling custard and the leave-in conditioner first for this braid out, and it came out phenomenal. I loved it. So now that all my braids are out, I'm ready to do the separation phase of this hairstyle. I'll start off by shaking my hair and shaking the braids loose, and then I just go ahead and just separate my hair where it wants to separate. The key to a successful braid out is to not force separation where your hair doesn't normally separate. I'm gonna show you guys on the other side of my head where I forced it to separate, and my hair was frizzy just on that one side. I had one side of my hair that was better than the other because I was running late that morning and I was rushing, and then I just kind of separated my hair right in the front, and then that part stayed frizzy. So be sure to take your time on separating your hair. Right here, you see how I just kind of pulled it out, and then right there is where it got frizzy at, and so my hair stayed frizzy right there. So I'm gonna just take my pick and just fluff my roots here. I love the way my hair came out. I got so many compliments on my hair whenever I wore my hair like this, and it lasted for at least actually a whole week. It lasted for a whole week, just like this. My hair was super moisturized. It was beautiful. I highly recommend these products. This is my final look on how my hair came out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Be sure to subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys. Mwah.
Yes, sir. Gabby, get 'em.